Meaning of HUD.
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 HUD. HUD stands for Head-Up Display. It is a transparent display technology that presents information without requiring users to look away from their usual viewpoints. By displaying data directly in the user's line of sight, HUDs allow individuals to receive real-time information while keeping their attention focused on the task at hand. This technology is often utilized in automobiles, aircraft, and military equipment to present crucial data such as speed, altitude, and navigation directions. In summary, HUD is an innovative technology that enhances situational awareness and safety by presenting important data in a non-intrusive manner.